Today, New York started antibody testing. This could be key to reopening businesses and schools. Governor Cuomo says the statewide testing will give the first true snapshot of the pandemic and just how many New Yorkers were infected by the disease. Let's go to News 4's Adam KUPERSTEIN joining us live in East Harlem with the story. Adam.
Yeah, now remember, this is the test that's used to determine if you already had COVID-19, but maybe didn't know because your symptoms were mild or you just never got tested. Mount Sinai here has developed one of these antibody tests being used by the state in a rollout today that could be a small step toward that big, difficult goal of reopening for business. Random antibody testing now underway in New York, this one popping up unannounced inside a shop right on Long Island. The goal to determine what percentage of the population has been infected with the virus and may now be immune.
We're taking the most aggressive survey in the nation right now.
Governor Cuomo says the state is conducting 3,000 antibody tests per day, and yet doctors say it'll take far more to safely unpause New York.
It's certainly our hope that the commercial labs and the hospital labs will be able to combine forces as the governor envisions to have widespread testing as necessary.
Dr. David Rich is the president of Mount Sinai Hospital, which received emergency use authorization for its antibody test, and it's already being used for healthcare workers on the front lines.
Even though we can't guarantee they won't be reinfected and they will still have to wear their PPE,
the World Health Organization says as of now, testing for antibodies does not prove immunity. And on top of that, Governor Cuomo says he needs federal help to get enough materials for wide-scale antibody testing.
My 300 labs are now saying I can't get the tests from the national manufacturer.
New York State leads the nation in diagnostic COVID-19 testing, but in the city, there's a need for more in underserved communities. That's why more walk-up sites are opening, including Medgar Evers College in Brooklyn, the Sydenham Family Health Center in East Harlem, and Gotham Health in the Bronx.
I am glad that these testing sites are starting to go up. I am sad that we've had to wait so long.
Now, there are some doctors' offices that are offering patients to be able to register for antibody tests. The state says they're using 300 different labs, but doctors warn that while it's safe to get the test, the danger is sometimes the results aren't fully reliable. Live at Mount Sinai in East Harlem, Adam KUPERSTEIN, News 4 New York.